and today our topic is Flipkart.com, which is a huge online website for shopping. First, I'll introduce to you what is Flipkart. Flipkart is basically an online retail industry. It is one of the leading e-commerce players in the country, and it has over 11.5 million book titles listed, 11 different categories, and more than 2 million registered users, and also sale of 30,000 items a day. It was founded by Sachin Bansal and Vinny Bansal in Bangalore, Karnataka in the year 2007. It was started with the initial capital of 4 lakh rupees. It has 7 warehouses, offices and delivery centers as per 2011. Revenue of 75 crore in the financial year 2010 to 2011, and it has 2,600 plus employees till December 2011. Its subsidiaries are VRave, Mind360 and Let's Buy. This is the first founder, that is Sachin Bansal. He was the CEO and co-founder of Flipkart.com. He spent his early years in Chandigarh and he graduated from IIT Delhi with a degree in computer engineering. In 2006, he joined Amazon.com, which is another online shopping website in India, and he later left it in order to set up Flipkart.com. As a CEO, Sachin oversees all the customer-facing activities of the company, ranging from technology and marketing. He is also in charge of Flipkart's corporate divisions, which include the finance and legal departments. A keen gaming enthusiast, Sachin likes to spend most of his free time with his family. I'll call upon stage.
Hi guys, my name is Sahil. This is the second founder. Vinny Bansal is the co-founder and the present CEO of Flipkart.com. He was born and raised in Chandigarh, and he went on to get a degree in computer engineering at IIT Delhi. He worked at Amazon.com before he started on with Flipkart.com. At Flipkart, Vinny oversees all the operational activities which comes into play from the time a customer places an order to the time it is delivered. Vinny is also passionate about soccer and NBA. In his school days, he was the captain of both the teams. As you know, it's the story of Flipkart. As you know, Flipkart was established by Sachin Bansal and Vinny Bansal. They both studied at IIT Delhi, and they both together worked at Amazon before they started with Flipkart. For a fact, they are not related at all. Initially, they used word of mouth to popularize their company, and after 2 years, Flipkart became one of the top 100 sites of India. It was credited for being the largest online bookseller of India, and in March 2010, it was claimed that Flipkart had a growth of 100% every quarter, and it employs 3,000 people, which is creating a large-scale employment. It experienced 2 million unit sales and 4 million unique visitors per month, with a growing sale of 25%. It's been a year since Flipkart is moving from being a pure bookstore to a online mega store. They started selling DVD players and mobile, etc. There are many advertisements. Made by Flipkart, like newspaper, and there are many taglines like fashion has a new address, जो Flipkart का दिखता है वही दिखता है. Thank you. Okay, these are some logos of Flipkart. That was the first one, and this is the latest one.
Guys, I am Nitin Patel and I am speaking about the products which are available at the Flipkarts. The normally products sold by the Flipkarts are book, pens and stationery, mobiles, tablets, accessories, computer, laptops, clothing, fashionable like watches, bags, wallets, footwears, and home appliances, kitchenwares, gaming, baby care toys, etc. Products launched by the Flipkart. Actually, the products launched by Flipkart were Digiflip and the Flight Digital Music Store. Digiflip was actually launched by Flipkart to sell the computer accessories, headphones, pen devices, etc. Flight Digital Music Store was actually launched in October and November 2011 to sell officially music. So that Flight is a legal software where it runs in iTunes and Amazon. This site was actually shut down in 17 June 2013 because they found that most of the Indian customers they download the music from other sites which are actually free.
Hi guys, my name is Jackie Patel and I would like to continue with why do we use Flipkart. People use Flipkart because the payment of it is made on cash on delivery. There's never a shortage of products because they have they store their products in the godown. The delivery is made by their own boys, and sometimes they deliver it within 12 hours from orders. It has its offices and service centers in Bangalore, Chennai, Delhi, Hyderabad, Mumbai, Pune, Kolkata. Flipkart has a prepaid wallet feature. The prepaid wallet feature has two compartments, that's flight and WS prepaid retail. Sorry. This is its wallet feature. Order life cycle. It attracts users to the site, provide selection, provide details to evaluate the product, price well, provide convenient payment option, confirm payment, get the item, clean and check for sanity, pack the item, select courier and hand over, get tracking ID and communicate to customers, minimize it.
Guys, this is conclusion. Flipkart is the first billion-dollar company of India and which had become an online store in the nation. Now Amazon was trying to enter in the Indian market by purchasing the Flipkart, but Flipkart had not sold this company because he was demanding a high buyout price. When with online retail industry in India, online industry is gaining $1.5 billion around 2015. The e-commerce is just moving up in India, and we will soon see many companies achieving such success. Thanks, sir.